Noni, let me see you. Whoa.
Oh, you're so cute.
You ready to go?
It's just a little bit more wet on me.
Let's capture Liam having a meltdown before we even get to the park. Liam, get it on. All right, Liam doesn't get any of the food.
Liam, I can't take this today.
There it is.
Say, oh.
What did Dad say not to say? Noni, are we up? Look, there's our resort.
This is where we stay at.
We stay right there. Is our room.
Liam, are you getting on your legs? Alright.
Look, Star BB-8. Look, there's our pool.
Yeah. There's
Look,
the big pool.
that's where we're going.
Where we sleep at. And right there.
Oh,
Or no, we're not in that one. We're down here.
We are now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
This is our
home to
hotel
a
right
collection
here.
of tropical
Look, there's the bridge.
villages inspired by the colorful architecture.
look, we're gonna go through this thing and I think go around. We don't get out, right? We just keep going?
We're just going to it.
Yeah, but it has another port, so I assume we just go around. All right, we didn't have to get off, right? We stay on.
Well, now that makes sense why they have some empty ones then. So
Yeah.
slip into the empty ones in between seats.
Noni, you ready to go eat all the food?
I think I was about ready to go.
I was like, can't do another line. Liam, what are you gonna eat today? Pizza? Ice cream? Are we gonna find all of it? We're gonna find all of it. It's, hey, I'm starving. As soon as we get there, we're gonna find food immediately. Oh, when we go to Germany, Liam, we're getting the German chocolates for sure. The salted German chocolates. Oh, I can see me in the reflection. Noni, I see us in the reflection. Hi. Can you say hi?
Way back.
Liam, wave. No. Yeah.
We are on our way to Epcot International Gateway. When we arrive, remember to use your My Disney Experience mobile app to review
Disney,
your
yeah.
itinerary for the day.
Really?
Yeah,
What are you gonna?
I think I can see with Star Wars.
Yeah. Hey, Liam, when we're standing in line at Slinky Dog and you look over there, they look like they're real mountains just built in the background.
Can you take a picture up here?
I don't.
No, it doesn't look like anything.
Okay.
That's another one.
The Tower of Terror.
Mama,
Oh, baby.
this one.
Yeah, we're going over that way. Oh, look, there's the
Hey,
Speedway
Noni.
gas station. The
Noni,
infamous Speedway
what are
gas
you gonna eat first?
I
For gas, I'm only $3.50 a gallon.
You eat what?
I
did it.
You don't know? What's
I'm
Liam
sure it's
eating
more
first?
expensive here than it is in
Noni
town.
needs to be sitting on his butt. Nolan,
Yes,
Nolan,
no, you
Nolan,
can't run
sit,
around.
get over here and sit. You can't walk around. Sit down. Liam, it's fine.
In just a few moments,
Get up here and sit down now.
you're going to be
Sit
taking
down
a
now.
scenic spin around the Skyliner train
Yep, we're getting
station.
ready to turn.
Please
No, no.
remain seated.
I'm
This
staring full.
station
Look, we're gonna
is
turn.
designed
Ready?
for turning
Watch.
only.
Yeah, you gotta hang on because we're gonna make a turn. Ouch, okay. I got a hell of a bruise on the back of my leg where I got kicked yesterday.
Here we go. And
Hi, here we go. We're gonna make the turn.
Oh.
Oh, finally, there's some air. There was actually air coming through there for a second.
Last night when we were in here, it was so windy and cool.
Yeah.
But I don't feel anything now.
Oh, I feel a little bit right there.
I don't feel anything.
I don't either.
Well, you're sitting in the wrong spot then. 'Cause I got the air. It's not a lot of air, but it's there.
Fish and chips. Like, I'll make you guys go in that telephone booth over. Ooh, Brent, go down here. At least for photos at the very least. Even if nothing's open. Wow, we lost him.
Oh, touch it.
It's okay. His water's leaking, I think. It's not a big deal. Can we fill it up?
Or we can fill it back up.
Yeah.
with the, water fountain.
Wow. Look down here. This is cool. Liam, we're not doing that. Liam's gonna feel better now that he's eating. Liam, let me see this donut.
I can smell it.
Were you just hangry, Liam? Ooh. Did you get a picture for me?
Yeah.
That's a good donut.
Mom's getting a drink before Dad today.
I did, and it's a double.
Oh.
Wait, I haven't had
what
some
is
yet.
it, that spring flurry?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a double. Oh, it's a double.
Love that donut.
We're in Canada. I know a lot of places. Maybe they just open up later, or maybe they're closed because COVID. Yeah, but now we can't take the stroller anywhere else, can we? Okay.
We'll take the stroller everywhere. I'm not worried about that.
Get in the stroller then, bro. Get in the stroller.
Yeah, sweet.
You guys can keep going. Yeah. Go ahead. We'll catch up with you. You can carry it for a few minutes for me. No? Okay. Look how pretty this. Go ahead, Mom. We'll meet you. Look how pretty that is down there. You want to go get in the stroller, bro? Noni, you want to go get in there with Daddy? There is? I'm going to look over here real quick and I'm going to get Lima water out of my bag. Ooh, waterfall. Noni, there's a waterfall. Here. Did you get a picture of him? Noni, Nolan, look, there's a waterfall. We gotta take breaks on my phone, bro, just because it's gonna die if you stay on it that much. You want to get in? All right. Here, 1 second. Go back and get it. Oh, I didn't either, honestly. Who is it? Noni, who is it? Liam, scoot over just a sec, baby. Thank you. Who is it? I see Belle. Do you see Belle? Who do you see? You see Sleeping Beauty? You see Jasmine and Mulan? It's Mulan. Do you see him? Oh. I know. Liam, got popsicle trio. All right, why don't you pick it up, Bubby, and take it to your brother. No, pick up the plate. Oops, I dropped my camera. There you go. Now walk down and share with your brother. Walk down there. I'll meet you in a minute. We're waiting on the fries. Poutine fries. Lollipops right here. Thank you. Yeah. Camera's still on. Hold on. Here's the poutine fries. Look amazing. What are you having, Dad?
It's lemonade ale from Florida.
Oh.
But this tastes good. It tastes really good.
No
Does it
one's.
taste like beer? With a flavor,
Or
or?
does it taste like lemonade? It looks like lemonade. Noni wants more gravy fries?
It's like a wheat beer, right? It's refreshing for a beer.
Noni,
Winnie Pooh doing his exercise.
look, we see Winnie.
I'm up for these.
Oh, okay. We're good. We're gonna get plenty of food. Is it Winnie the Pooh? Is that cool? Yeah. You guys are watching him work out. Oh, I'm sorry. Here, I'm gonna move this out of the way so other people can see. There we go. Look at Liam, so excited. Ooh. Liam, don't go too far ahead, buddy. Liam, you know the hand flubber. Who's he, Liam? Yeah.
Professor Brainerd, Professor Philip Brainerd. You're missing flubbers in the touch lab. No, the smell lab. The touch lab. The smell lab. The touch lab. The smell lab.
This is cool. There's flubber.
Is the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie coochie coo, and taste.
Funny.
Tastes like chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight. Okay, come on.
What do you see, Noni? You saw the butterflies? For here? Yeah? We're gonna do sunscreen after this.
surprised they want to do this.
I know him too. Liam wanted to come see butterflies. Liam, you can't catch them, Bubby. You can't catch the butterflies. Look at all of them.
Yes, they do. They monitor it. You can't really see that. See that it's sticking on the leaf? It's like
Noni, you see all the butterflies? Look how many are in here.
there's one on the leaf over here. It's very camouflaged. It's green. See it sticking up down there on that leaf?
Do you see it?
Very.
That's the one with both.
Look how many are in here. Yeah. Noni, why don't you get out and look at the butterflies?
In here.
Yeah, all right, Liam, let's keep walking all the way around. Come on, sorry, come on.
Are not available. And what about that green one? I don't even see that green one.
What are you about to ride? Soarin'. Yeah. And Dad went to Mexico with Nolan. Oh no. No, Liam's having a rough day. Nolan, stop. Brent, pick that up. No, don't. Here's Liam, who can't walk today. Playing a game. There's a drink for Mom. We didn't show our candy from Germany in there. Noli chugging water. Dad, are you having a beer? Oh, hold on, this got real dirty.
Is Dad awake?
Hold on. It's got. There. I think we're in Japan now.
Yeah. If she wants to take him back, that'd be great.
This is cool. Liam, do you want to go back and lay down in the room? Alright. Alright, Nana's about to bring these shaved ice over. Liam, I'm going to take a picture of it when she gets here with it. Noni, you ready for a special treat from Nana?
Can you pass this on? Oh, I'll get it.
Yeah, you just get it. Noni, look at me. Liam, oh, hold on. You having shaved ice, Noni? Ooh. Brent, is that you?
What?
You too, Dan?
Yeah.
Oh, I smell it real bad right now. Alcohol
Oh, you
ones.
still have a drink and haven't finished one.
That's all right.
Second one.
What are you doing? Did you eat some cookie? Yeah. After you had that slushie? Quit rolling away, boy. All right, here comes Dad. What did Dad get? What is that? The white thing. What is it? It looks like a milk, like a cup of milk. Let me see your nasty scallops. Oh, look at this thing. Let me see your nasty scallops. Wait, is there green beans in there?
That's it. At least you get your money's worth.
Yeah, that's just straight up whiskey on top. How are the scallops?
They taste good.
Yeah.
Good enough.
We're gonna see. Let's see how many stops we can make before we gotta head back. It's windy.
Oh, best friend.
Is strawberry? Can he have your strawberry, Dad?
Yeah.
That's making a huge mess. Here, you get none of that strawberry.
Did you give me a fork?
No, they have a fork. They had chopsticks. I honestly didn't see it. I said chopsticks. No, I didn't see a fork.
Yeah.
Oh. None of that crazy strawberry. Chicken skewer.
You want strawberry?
Some kind of crab cake. Ooh, strawberry for Noni. Ah, no! It's okay.
My trash.
I'll get it. Okay. Oh, look how cute. What? Just go grab one. We got time. It's literally. Then go to the next one. There's one right there at that hut.
See it? I know.
It's right there. Look at the mess Noni's making with the strawberry. Here's the candy shop we're going into. There's Dad.
Okay.
Here. Just come over. Someone apparently fell asleep and we didn't know. This kid. Some drinks. Noni's passed out, don't drop him. Took us 15 minutes for when we're not moving, of course.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Epcot International Gateway.
Just chilling. Don't mind
We're
us.
flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with a final stop at Disney's Caribbean
There he
Beach
goes,
Resort.
he's down. Well, here's some
We
people.
hope you enjoyed your visit to
going in and out of
and the
Epcot.
World Showcase. Did you learn how to say hello in a different language today?
Did you?
I already knew.
Okay.
Every language in the world, how to say hello.
What was your favorite? Your favorite drink was the blue one in America?
Yeah, it was.
No, wait,
My favorite
France.
drink was-
America. No, it was
That was
America.
American. My favorite drink was the last drink.
We didn't get much food, but the few pieces of food we had, did you have a favorite? You only got two things. It was what?
I mean,
Pretzel.
the scallops were good.
Oh, you got three. Yeah, you got scallops.
Yeah.
The crab cake.
The crab cakes were, the sauce was good, but the crab cakes themselves were like plain.
The chicken skewer was amazing. It was so good.
I like the scallops a lot. So if you're a seafood fan, definitely get the scallops.
Nolan liked all of it, which is why he's passed out. He had food, I think, at every stop.
Nolan was so big though.
He was. So, generally in life,
Italy.
there's France.
No, is it France?
Yeah, that's France. Italy's right. There's Ratatouille. We didn't get to. It's not ready yet. Yeah, general rule in life. Liam, so easy. Nolan, a devil. You come to Disney, flip flop.
You do anything fun.
Soon we'll be flying past Disney's Boardwalk Inn and
Noni, what's happening?
I wish I felt like that in a room.
Hold
I
on.
never really slept.
This is how you wake up. You immediately wake up playing. Where are we?
We're in the sky?
We're at the top. You just wake up from a nap? Oh, you
Hey, look, there's Woody, Buzz, and Jessie.
we see Toy Story. Hi, Toy Story. Nolan, did you have a good nap? Did you eat lots of food? Yeah. You want to go lay down in the room for just a little bit? Dad, I'm recording. Right, Noni? How do you wake up like that?
Because he's a fucking psycho.
You just wake up ready to go? Your hair.
Did you have fun?
Getting food?
And you really didn't watch phone for that long?
No, he didn't get that much
So
phone.
it was just me and him. He didn't have
And he fell asleep the last time there was a phone. So. Whoa! Whoa! Hear the. Ah! Oh my goodness! Stay closed, doors.
So I feel like the Epcot.
Here we go, buddy! Alright, it's 8 o'clock. We're heading back to Epcot at 8 o'clock. I baked these kids at 6 o'clock. Let's go do. I was like, let's go do something. Let's go do something. You guys were like, no, no. So I took a shower, put on my pajamas, and then you guys were like, can we go back? You were just naked, eating popcorn.
Come sit next to me.
No, no moving around. On the way back you can.
Okay.
Yeah. Here we go. To Epcot. It takes a minute, remember? Pretty long. Whoa!
Oh, I think this is okay.
Yeah, we got green and the ducks.
I said green.
That over, look, that over there looks like a big giant pyramid. Can you see it?
Look.
Yeah. Oh, you see Tower of Terror? Yeah.
Space mission. My neighbor warned me not to ride it. So they've got the
Come on, put your hands up my shorts, bro. You good? You wanna go meet Anna Elsa? Yeah, let's go meet Anna and Elsa.
it's just spins you.
Your eye?
They assign you a dog, whatever.
Your eye?
They put you in there and you're like tip back and you launch off. And when you launch off,
Stay right here with the kids.
like the pressure, like the G-force.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
I thought I was gonna have a heart attack. I really did. It was like I couldn't catch my breath. I'm like, oh my goodness. I could take about anything. That was
Kara, Nancy
I did not
told
care for
me
that.
Nolan, don't do that. That's bad.
they picked the wrong one.
Yeah, they-
And she was like, don't write it if you
That's bad. How lucky.
Yeah, we just started riding the bus. We're like, we better run up there. Yeah.
Put your mask. Is this a nice bus?
+2 going.
Oh,
Two.
Aruba. I bet they're all Magic Kingdom with those ears. Yeah, those ears, that's Magic Kingdom. Are you excited? Yes, he does that on the Skylighter every time. He gets so excited. He also thinks these are school buses. I'm not going to school bus.
No, she's gonna take you to school.
You going to school?
Yeah.
Do you want to go see animals or do you want to go to school?
I'll go at the camera.
I think you said magic animals.
Animal field trip.
Yeah.
Yeah. You excited, Bubby?
No?
Are you excited? Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa, what's that?
Wow.
What's that, Mommy?
Yeah. Liam, were you able to find a seat? Were you able to find a seat on the bus?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna sit everywhere.
Oh, okay.
Ow, good bus.
You're on the school bus? Sit back. No, don't do that. Sit back. Scoot back. But all the way back in the seat. There we go. Tony, don't drop. Uh-oh.
Oh, yes.
Uh-oh. Liam, leave his head alone. You can go look. I think it's just a waterfall. But go ahead, go look. I got Noni. Go.
Kind of like the zoo.
Liam is excited. I think it's just like
Yeah, I
here, Noni. Woo! You don't see anything?
Oh, yes, this.
Oh, a bunch of
Oh, look at all those fishies.
they're dark color. You couldn't see them at first.
Yeah.
You ready, Roland Nolan? Let's see what we can find. Do you see them?
These are actually the wild animal mom that make their way in.
I think so. Noni, you see them? Liam, do you love this so far?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll have to go watch the episode we missed with that guy in it.
Yeah.
We just saw. Look, there's a little bridge over there. I wonder if that's for them or if we can cross that by any chance.
Now feed the animal.
Yeah, don't feed them. You'll make them sick. They probably have a special. Look, all the fishies in there. I bet they eat special food.
Yeah, so they can eat. I thought they can
Yeah.
eat bread.
Liam, take us across the scary bridge. Oh no.
You're like, excuse me?
This is staff only. Ooh. Whoa! Don't shake it. Ooh. It just cuts through the other side. Oh, there's something over here. Oh, they're changing a baby. I thought it was people watching. Liam, wait. Liam, go straight. Look what's straight. You want to go straight? Don't run off. Don't run off.
I thought you'd have to tell Liam to wait.
I know. We're in Pandora, Bubby. Look. Liam, stay by us, baby. We'll see it.
Look, that huge tree. Look up. Brody, the other way.
Liam, look at the tree from right here. Look how cool it looks. You gonna go live up there? You're gonna live in the tree? Here we go. Ooh, listen to the water. Dinosaur land. You can walk?
He's being so much better today.
Oh, let's go up here and see what we see, Noni. You ready to go dinosaur right after this? All right, we're taking Nolan on this real quick because there's no way. And there's things over there. Let's see if I can get him. There's Dad. You ready to ride this, Noni? Yeah. Ooh.
30?
That's what I saw earlier. I don't think that's bad. Come on, Bubby. I am hungry too. We're going to have to eat after this. Hi, Noni. You can take your mask off, I think. Yeah. Oh, something's going to happen. You want to watch? Hi. You ready? Yeah.
Are you guys explorers?
Are you explorer?
Yeah.
No need. You get a book. You can take that off, baby. You got a book for your dinosaurs? Oh, I don't know if you can take it off now that you put it there. It's okay. It's all right. You can leave it. Oh, okay. Here. Yeah? Can you show me your dinosaur card? Can you show me your dinosaur card, Noni? No. Okay. Yeah? Look how cool. What do you see in there?
Oh, I'm just finding teeth.
That's cool. Oh, you wanted on that page? Oh, we're gonna explore and find all of these things, right? Yeah.
So think of like the poison dart frog or the monarch butterfly, or sort of like the leopard grasshopper. They're all super bright colors, right? What do you think is special about them? Do you think you want to eat a poison dart frog? No, why not? No, they're
You can talk.
They're called the poison dart frog, right? Because they're poisonous. Yeah, so they're sending a warning message saying, hey, if you eat me, I'll make you really sick. Right? So when you go home, you can take a look at your favorite animal and see how they signal and send messages without making sounds too. Yeah.
You watch my bag real quick, Bubby. Brent, I mean, not Bubby. Hold on, walk over to Liam. All right, show me. Come here, show me. Oop, watch it, Bubby. All right, what do you see? Oh, that's not real. Do you think it's real? Let's see. You gonna go give him some of your ice cream?
What?
You gonna go give him some of your ice cream? No. Look Look, it looks just like a dinosaur. It reminds me of one, doesn't it? Because look how hard and scaly his skin is.
It is a dinosaur.
Yeah. Oh, you're right. All right, let's go sit down real quick. Don't walk in front of people, though. All right, Dad. Here's your hot dog. Enjoy. Good luck eating that. Whew.
No problem.
And there's some fries. Right here. If you want. But you can't have Dad's because you didn't share your ice cream. You can have some of mine.
Don't film me either.
I'm waiting for you to take a bite of it. Okay. Good, Dad. Is it good?
Yeah.
I almost got you a...
What's the chili sauce taste like? Does it taste like honey sauce? Does it taste like
There's
chili?
beans in it.
I just want to taste.
Oh, they have PB&J's and Uncrustables ready to go right here. And some kind of, I don't know what those are. Mickey pretzels.
Does he like it?
Yeah. Is that what?
Does he like jelly?
Jelly? Yeah, peanut butter and jelly, yeah.
Alright. I'm not a huge jelly.
No, Liam, look, we're still moving. Come on, hurry. You're going to lose your spot. Hurry. Here, get in front of me. Bro, this is moving fast. Look. Look how fast it's moving. You ready to go on this big roller coaster?
You take Chris talk about her kids being dramatic. I think you got the most dramatic kid of all.
Oh, I know. You're going to go on this twice? We're in the shade. It's not even hot today, bro.
The winds are blowing.
Yeah. I'm excited for Brent to go on it with Liam.
Yeah.
I like that Liam gets to go on everything like twice.
Yeah.
You eating popcorn?
From over here.
No, you can't. You want to go on a ride, Noni? No, you're going on a ride next, bro.
No.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You got a pin? You donated money? Oh, you're a hero? Noni, are you a hero?
You're a hero, not a zero.
Yeah.
He's up in the top.
You want to go look? Noni wants to go look at him.
Go there.
Go up there and look.
Oh, I see him.
Maybe he heard my beeping.
Well, you can't back up any further.
No, I can't.
Noni! Oh my God, I'm sorry. Noni, don't run away. Oh, there, you got this for me. Oh, let's find the bats. Nolan's just off and running. There you go. Oh, it's so crowded in here. Nobody. Okay. All right, what are you finding, guys? Look at this room. Oh, there's a learning station behind us. Find anything? No.
I wonder if they're hiding.
Liam, you can go up top if you want and look. Liam, if you want to go up the stairs, you can. Go up the stairs and come right back down. Something's in there. We don't know what it is. I think it's a tiger. Do you? Do you think there's a tiger hiding? What do you think it is, Noni? Wait for him to walk back, Bubby. There's a tiger in there.
Okay, where we heading?
Stand right here next to you guys. You ready? All right. Liam, quit screaming at him. Your dad has it.
You got it.
Don't touch Noni. Don't touch Noni. We look. Noni, look back here. Noni. Can you see? Is it a peacock?
Whoa.
Whoa!
Noni, come here, I'll hold you.
They're flying everywhere. Liam, is that a peacock back there? I can't tell.
What is that?
Yeah. Look at it, Bubby. Look at him go. Look at him go.
I need him for my band.
Oh, he's getting it. Huh. Look how cool the tree looks from here, Liam. 1, phone 2. You have to go on the safari? What's been the favorite animal you've seen so far? You better answer it. The phone's ringing. Go answer it. Go answer it, Liam. It's for you.
Hey, maybe kill it.
There we go. I don't want that on here. It can get copyright claimed. All right, cool bridge. Drop our stroller off. Uh-oh, we're gonna be on that, Liam. And we're getting to it right now, I think. Oh, look at all these strollers. Hold on. Let's get Noni. Whoa.
There will be a lot of jobs.
We're on a safari.
Face coverings on, covering your nose and mouth, your hands, arms, feet, legs inside, and remain seated. Alright, windy, which means let's go.
No one's behind us.
First stop on the reserve is going to be in the Little Laturi Forest.
You go through different sections.
The forest is home to animals. Would you like to count
Right here.
Keep your eyes peeled.
Noni, you can see anything? It's like a Blair Witch Project, my filming right now.
Don't get in there.
Anything in there?
On the right across the water, will be a couple of okapi.
Noni, look! Look at that side. Do you see it?
With water right here, this black and white.
We got a rhino right there.
Rhino.
Their wingspan could be about 8 feet
Sure
across.
isn't. Better get lost.
They don't make any noises. They do rattle their bills back and forth to communicate with one another.
Wow, this is bumpy.
Very bumpy.
It's
On the
animals.
right, the tan-colored antelope with the stripes are going to be greater kudu.
Wow, look how close.
That's cool.
Your grandpa or papa.
I can tell that those are all
Liam,
females.
look how close
They do
he
not
is
have
to
any
you.
horns. Males can grow horns and then can get
Oh, you
up
see
to
another
about
stork, Noni?
6 feet in length.
Wow.
With the change.
There.
Noni, look at Hippo.
Swim in the water.
He's walking around.
Bottom of the river banks.
That's cool.
There's another hippo in the silhouette in the water right here.
Oh my God, there's a hippo right there, Noni.
Oh, he's coming up out of the water.
No, it's over here, baby. Right there. Do you see him,
They're known to be
Noni?
one of the most dangerous creatures in Africa.
They are dangerous.
Because they are so very territorial.
It is a hippo. That was cool.
Oh, we're on the
Liam, stay inside. We're coming up next to a giraffe.
Look, there's going to be a giraffe in this tree right in the corner, guys.
Maasai giraffes do have a jagged edge to their
some
spots. There's going to be a couple more giraffes closer to us you'll be able to see. They can get up to about 60 and 20 feet tall. Also on our right, there's going to be a couple of harleys and mountain
Oh, there's some
zebra.
zebra right
These
down
particular
here.
zebras do have an extra flap of skin on their
Noni,
neck.
look over here. Noni, look.
You see the zebra?
You see
And a group of
the
zebras
giraffe?
called dazzle.
And look, there's a giraffe up in
on
the
that hill in
tree.
between those trees on
Noni.
the right with those giant horns is going to be some Ankoli cattle. Those horns look very heavy, however they're pretty hollow, made of a honeycomb-like structure. It regulates their blood
You
speed.
got a lion right there, Noni.
Earlier, the girls were out there laying with him.
Did you see him? It's a
Males will
lion.
protect the pride,
Whoa.
while the females will do all of the hunting. Please make sure those face coverings do stay over your nose.
Look at this kid. Think he's tired? You're tired too? Do you want to ride some more rides? You want to do the Avatar stuff after lunch? Alright. Alright, how is it? Did you just get pulled pork and coleslaw?
Mac and cheese.
What's it? Ah. Bubby, what are you having? French fries and an Uncrustable Disney? Yeah?
Liam, is that Mickey Mouse over there? Liam, is that a zebra?
careful as you cross. All right, go look.
Here comes the arrow.
Where? Who do you see? Do not enter.
Right there.
Where?
Just set it all right.
Oh. Oh well. And I can't see my kid. Oh, he's coming right back over. I like how Liam kind of reminds me of Frogger. You just straight up cross. You don't even care. Oh, I see a waterfall on that thing up there when we get to it.
That's pretty nice.
No, bro, I can't go until you go. Hey, we're only doing 2 more rides, bro. What are these, Noni? Ooh. What is that? I don't know. What is it? Oh, hold on. No. Come here. Nose picker. Oh, there's more of those things. Yeah? We're about to go, I think we go behind the waterfall, Liam. Liam. Hey, Liam. I don't think I've recorded in here yet. Noni, I think you need to walk, bro. Noni gonna walk? He's gonna be held. Are you on a school bus? Oh, you're not. You wanna go what? Do you wanna go swim?
No.
Well, we're gonna go swim right now. You wanna go to Disney World? What do you want? Swim? Pool? Let's go to the pool and swim. You wanna go Buzz? Tomorrow morning I'll take you to Buzz, okay? Okay? Tomorrow morning I'll take you to Buzz. Magic Kingdom. He was in Tomorrowland, remember? That random bus shooting game? That's right. Yeah. Alright, we're back from the pool. Here's Liam's. Noni, quit moving this around. Just lay down and relax. We'll find a Band-Aid in a little bit. Is that your pizza and breadstick? Yeah. Liam, you guys gonna watch the iPad together? Yeah. Let's look at Dad's food. Caesar salad. And this thing.
Looks really good.
Oh, a couple drinks in bed before we go watch a movie. Liam, was Animal Kingdom your favorite so far? Yeah.
Give me that belly.
Yeah. And that big kid's over there. Park. Dad's favorite song.
Place I know where I cannot go, where I long to